Hello and welcome to another HTML programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we will going to continue to explore the form elements that are introduced in HTML5 and some of the form elements that are carrying over from the previous versions of HTML. So today, I would like to introduce you to Fieldset. Now, Fieldset allows you to create groups, sort of kind of framing elements within an HTML document. So sometimes what happens when you have long forms, it allows you to create portions, and each portion can have a little heading to it, which is called a legend. So let's work with Fieldset and legends, and then we're going to add some elements to it. So in an HTML form, you can simply go about introducing Fieldset. If you wish to write any CSS properties, you can give your Fieldset an ID. For example, I can call this one Personal Info Fieldset. Once this Fieldset has been created, before I introduce the legend, let me add some elements to it. For example, if I want to introduce a text box, I can very well give it a label and followed by the actual text box. So after that, let's try to run this in a web browser. So let's click run, and you can choose a browser of your choice. And here you can see this big rectangle, and in this big huge rectangle you can see the elements that I have placed. Now this rectangle is basically the result of the Fieldset. Now if you would like to add any kind of a heading to this Fieldset, you can go about here and you can introduce something called a legend. And you can give your legend a value. Now after making these changes, let me simply refresh the page so that you can see the difference. And you can see that the personal information is now being displayed as a legend of this Fieldset. You can have one or more Fieldsets in a page. For example, just to show you, let me grab this, copy it, and paste it. Let me change the name to work info, work information. Now let's run to see the difference. And here you can see that we have multiple Fieldsets where each Fieldset has its own legend and each Fieldset has its own elements. So this can be used if you are planning on having multiple areas and your form is long. This will allow users to concentrate on one set of information at any given time. Next time we're going to introduce some more HTML5 elements, and then eventually we're going to add some CSS properties to it to improve the look and feel. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Have a great day.